Okay, so this is how the designy bit has come along so far. Here is the schematics. There's a few revisions I'm going to need to do, like I forgot to add switches onto the mode switches on the stepper drivers to convert, like, you know, full step, half step, quarter step, and eighth step, because right now I just have them pulled up with these resistors here. But I need switches, because pulling those up actually makes them 8th step, and then it's going to make the gauges go way too slow, so I'm going to need to mess with that. But here is the schematics of it, the whole board. This plugs, all the drivers have these plugs on them, and they're going to plug into these. Here's the actual core. It just runs on an Arduino, because I am not professional. I'd like to be, but Arduino. You know, plug serial interface. There's gonna be a little thing that has a USB to serial, you know, capacitors. The backlight has a PWM. There's switches on the gauge cluster. Here's how I interface with them. It uses a parallel serial shift register, and then there's diodes hooked up to give an interrupt signal, so that way it'll grab the switches. To control the indicator lights on here, there's these two serial to parallel shift registers, and there's some indicator lights on the board. I may or may not put those in, but if there's lots of room, more LEDs the merrier, I say. And then it drives these transistor drivers, which then allow us to control the 12-volt LEDs on the thing. And that'll do its thing. This is a step direction thing, because the stepper driver boards require a step pulse and a direction high or low, and that will control what way they move. So I don't have that many pins, as you know, so I have this serial to parallel shift register giving me the 6 directions, and it's expandable to 8, but I'm out of pins on the Arduino. Well, no, correction, I have 1 pin on Arduino, so if you want one more stepper motor, we're good. The stepper motor is just based on the easy stepper driver, which is, you can see on SparkFun. I just used the same thing. That's basically it. I just gotta build 6 of those and 1 of those. And yeah, for now I'm just gonna build 1 of these and hook it directly to an Arduino dev board thing, and see if I can get one of the gauges to spin. If I can do that tonight, I'll upload a video.